Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to be looking at improvements to the Symmetry tool and additions to the Ruler tool. Let's go ahead and jump right in. To open these up, we're going to go to Window and down to Rulers. You can use keyboard shortcut Shift+R as well. Let's look at the ruler improvements first here. I am a big fan of a lot of things that are being added into this new version of Rebelle. And so you can see here, this is our standard ruler. You can grab the node and drag it around and draw a beautiful straight line. You can use this original line, this guide, to make parallel lines anywhere on the screen very easily and quickly. Okay, now what's new is there's now an option to show measurements. Let's reset this, drag it to the middle. We have 16.21 centimeters at a 0-degree tilt. So we can adjust this, draw our line, bring it up to 1466, 27 degrees, and we can do a lot of really precise things that we couldn't do before. Let's go ahead and reset that and bring it down. Now, for this to work, we have to have one thing in place already. Let's go into Edit and go to Preferences. Now to choose View at Print Size, we're going to go all the way down to the General tab to the bottom, Display PPI Calibration. You can see my resolution of the screen and the PPI here. What we're going to do is we're going to choose Calibrate. I'm in the United States, so I'm going to choose inches. Now, what I want to do is I want to make sure the inch in real life and the inch on the screen are the same distance. So you can hold a ruler up to the screen here and make sure that it aligns, or you can choose one of these paper sizes and you can hold up that size of paper. You can see here A5 in this little blue mark. All right, let's go ahead and click OK. Since we have that set up here, you'll see that I have a distance specified, and I can go from point to point. This is 11 centimeters, 7.59 centimeters. This is really cool. Now this extends also into the Ellipse tool. And with that, you can make some very precise geometric shapes where you know the actual angles and the distances. Let's look at the Symmetry tool now. You can see the line in the center. Let's choose Edit Symmetry. We can now change the angle and the position of the symmetry line on the screen. And one of the things that's beautiful about the Symmetry tool inside of Rebelle is this is not just mirroring from side to side what happens on one over to the other. It is actually painting with two separate brushes. So let me demonstrate that for you real quick. We're going to put some blue on the right side. Let's put some yellow on the left side. Now when we turn on Symmetry, let's go ahead and adjust this so that we're going to have brushstroke in both sections. And now let's paint. You're going to notice that we're painting with different colors on both sides because it's two brushes, not just mirroring what's happening. So you can have a very organic, very different, and yet very similar result on both sides because of the extra effort that Escape Motions went into in order to make the Symmetry tool more than just a mirroring tool. It is actually two brushes on both sides of the Symmetry line. All right, if you guys have questions about the Symmetry tool or about the new improvements in the rulers, go ahead and put that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, stay creative and have a wonderful day.